Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this body hair trimmer for man. It's an electric Groin Pubic hair trimmer. It's the man's body grooming kit for privates. And it's waterproof. So, it's wet and dry body shaver. It comes with 2 replacement blades and comb accessories. And it comes by Customizable. This double-sided hair trimmer uses high-quality stainless steel double-edged blades, which are sharp and durable and can easily shave in any direction, quickly shaving, saving us time and energy. The 30 degrees rotation body trimmer blades is designed especially to hold the nut biting farewell to the cuts, scratches, pullings, and making our trimming process more comfortable for us. And we have a 2-in-1 electric trimmer. This double blade body hair trimmer adopts a unique design concept and has 2 different trimmer heads that can be quickly replaced, as you can see. Only pull on it, and after a couple of seconds, you can assemble or attach a new one or another head onto the device. That means we can use it for the face, for the arms, thorax, legs, or other parts of our body. It can easily handle, and it let us say goodbye to the trouble of messy hair. We have powerful 6,800 rounds per minute ultra-quiet motor. High power, low vibrations provide more comfortable grip during the shaving. It can easily handle various types of hair, allowing us to complete the care of private parts in a short period of time. And of course, resting you to trim the whole while showering, no prob. No need to disassemble for easy cleaning, no prob. The lithium-ion battery has a long battery life and can easily work for 100 minutes when fully charged. And it's 100% waterproof, baby. Kansang is a commercial company specializing in the sale of body hair trimmer and electric shavers, which was established in 2019, committing to the goal of bringing man a wonderful grooming experience. They keep up strong and alive. They are going to keep working on that continues. Kansang for every facial body hair grooming needs. Fast shaving, safe and efficient. The blade is a 420J2 material. This alloy steel, high strength, wear resistant and durable. And the R-shaped rounded head. Less scratching on the skin, more comfort to use. And the electric body hair trimmer comes with 2 interchangeable heads to easy operation. This making body grooming gentle and simple. We choose the right head to comfortably trim every part of the body. And we have 1 up to 10mm adjustable guide combs for facial body hair grooming. Needs dedicated trimming of the hair length. Adjustable length setting from 1 up to 10mm flexible adjustment and 0.5mm per adjustment steps. And we have 2 heads. Interchangeable shaving for trimming heads. For fully body hair grooming needs 2 heads. And 3-in-1 guard adjustable guide comb. Fine trimming of hair lengths. Standard is 3-slot position. 3 different lengths, 3, 6, and 9mm. So you can use it as you like it and you need it. And we have a light emitted diode display. Clearly see the remaining power and the reminder on the LED display. We have Type-C charging port, so we can recharge the internal battery as we like. AC adapter of our smartphone, laptop, power bank, and. And it charges only 90 minutes, and then it works for 90 minutes. Yeah, godlike. That is good for leg hair, for pubic hair, for the back hair, for the chest hair, and for the armpit hair, and facial beard. Hair trimmer for multiple body regions. In the drawer. We take a trip in the office, in the bathroom, we can use this device where it's need to be used for our hair, for a complete hair of our body. Because this is the Kantang body hair trimmer for man. Of course, if you're a woman or something else, you can use this too because you will have hairs too. Okay, that's possible. It's an electric Groin Pubic hair trimmer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.